Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss how to deactivate Facebook account 2022. But before we start the tutorial, make sure your Facebook application is on the latest version. If not, you can update it first. Okay, the first step is to open the Facebook application. Then click on the three-line icon in the right corner. Then click the settings icon. Then click on personal and account information. Then click on account ownership and control. Select deactivation and deletion. Select deactivation, then click continue. You can choose several reasons for deactivation. For example, I chose this as temporary. I'll be back, then click continue. Then, scroll down to determine the reactivation date. You can also choose to turn off automatic reactivation, then click continue. If you still want to use the messenger during the deactivation period, you must check the Keep Using Messenger section, then click Deactivation My Account. During the deactivation period, your friends will not be able to find your Facebook account, but you can still use Messenger to communicate. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video can help you. If there is an error, you can write in the comments column. I will try to help you as long as I can.